Hey guys, Brian here from Vintage Classic Specialist. So I lied, kind of. I am here briefly on a Saturday. Said I wasn't going to come in today. However, I had to let a customer pick up her car. It's the Brazilian bay window bus. We've done some interior work on. It was done for a little bit more, and she just picked it up because she's going to be out of town for a while, and we don't have room to store her bus. We'll finish her cushions up, and she'll come get them when she's back. But anyway, so I thought I would just do a very quick walk around here of the shop to show what we have in. So let's just do it here. So here is a one family owned 74 standard Beetle. By standard, I mean not a super. Full restoration here, guys. Car will be leaving the shop very soon. 60 Baja Bug, been in the same family since the 70s, I believe. And I believe the family, the granddad of the current owner, I think was the one who actually did the Baja Bug conversion. So this car is getting a full interior. Let's take a look here. Not done yet. We need to do the seats still, obviously. But the car had maybe like Porsche 924 or something seats in it. And the interior was just a mess. So it's getting all new interior, and it didn't have a back seat in it at all. It's now going to have a proper Volkswagen back seat. The owner wants to be able to throw his family in there and have fun. So we also did a bunch of work on the motor. It was running fairly horribly, so ended up having to put a new set of carburetors on it because one of them had a massive vacuum leak, and went through the ignition system, so on. 57 hot rod Beetle here that essentially we're taking over the finish line to make a running, driving safe car. We swapped out the transmission on it, plumbing his oil system, plumbing his fuel system, fixing some wiring, and there's some other little odds and ends on this car. This is a 64 Beetle here that's in for a variety of things, including front adjustable suspension, front disc brake upgrade. We're going to do, the interior is actually reasonably nice on it. We're going to do carpet though. His carpet kit kind of leaves a bit to be desired. And we are going to build him a bigger motor too, and rebuild his transmission. Probably looking at a 1904 cc motor for it, dual carbs, but keep kind of a sleeper, more or less stock look, although like maybe an inch lower. One family owned 68 Ghia here, full restoration. This car had rust everywhere. Looks pretty nice now, we think. Another Ghia full restoration here. This is gonna be a bit of a Resto-mod here. You can see the big brakes, getting a big motor built by Powerhouse. Full custom leather interior by us. Another full restoration here, 67 sunroof Beetle here. Also, basically the original owner. I'm a little confused on this one because the car is a 67. He said he bought it in 67, but he's not the original owner. Maybe somebody bought it and returned it to the VW dealer very quickly, and he bought it as used, but I'd say that's close enough, and that counts as him being the original owner. Nonetheless, here you go. So full interior, of course, seats we still have to do, carpet we still have to do. The body and pan literally just went together this week, so, but it's coming along nicely. That, by the way, since I'm standing here, is the motor for the next car I'll talk about, which we lovingly call Big Blue here, 69 sunroof bus. Also a one family vehicle. Family bought it while vacationing in Europe with the intention of driving it around Europe and then getting rid of it, but they loved it, they kept it, they shipped it back. And I think the dad daily drove it for like 30 years or something up in the I think Sacramento area, maybe something like that. Anyway, so yeah, full restoration here, and you saw the motor, and it's getting air conditioning and the works fuel injected motor if I didn't mention it. So there's a few cars outside that are in various stages of paint and body work as well, but at least for now, that is what's inside the shop. By the way, that is the motor for this green Ghia there. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.